बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, इन लेक्चर 1 वी हैव डन सम बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन, बेसिक terms of narration. Today we shall start some basic rule of narration. There are some basic rules which need to be understand for changing the sentence from direct to indirect shape, and these rules will be applied to the reported speech sentence, that is change of pronoun, change of tenses, change of words. So there are three changes from direct to indirect speech. Number 1, change of pronoun. चेंज ऑफ प्रोनाउन करने के लिए आपको पहले प्रोनाउन की डिटेल फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पर्सन की लिस्ट टेबल देखनी होगी। हम स्टूडेंट्स 9th क्लास में ये टेबल कर चुके हैं, मैं अभी भी आपके टेबल सामने करूँगा। आपने इसको नोट करना है, समझना है और याद करना है। देन चेंज ऑफ टेंसेस, 12 टेंसेस हैं जिनका भी मैंने स्टार्ट में जिक्र किया था। उसका टेबल आपको मैंने दिया था 9th में, आपने वो रिवाइज करना है और उसे समझना है, अप्लाई करना सीखना है सेंटेंस। देन थर्ड नंबर पे चेंज ऑफ वर्ड्स है। ये पूरी लिस्ट होगी, ये भी आपको भी मुहैया की जाएगी। फॉलो इट एंड लर्न इट बाय हार्ट। चेंज ऑफ वर्ड शोइंग नियरनेस with the words showing far distances. So student, change of pronoun. Definition of pronoun. As you know that a word which is used in place or instead of a noun is called pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, these are pronouns. Students, we can differentiate pronouns into three categories: first third person, second third person, and nominative, possessive, and accusative. For example, each pronoun has family like I, me, mine, myself; we, our, ours, ourself; you, your, yours, yourself for singular and plural; then he, himself, him; then she, her, herself, hers; they, their, theirs, themselves, them. So that's all. The following table requires due attention. Now students, you have to note it down, this table, for first, second and third person. First person nominative means वो प्रोनाउन वर्ड्स जो हम नाम की जगह यूज़ करते हैं। जैसा मैं अपने लिए आई यूज़ करूँगा, सामने आप बैठे हैं और हम सब के लिए हम वी। देन पोजेसिव फॉर ऑनरशिप, माई माइन, इट्स माइन, माई बुक, आर कार्स, एंड accusative as an object. So students, what is the concept of first, second, third person? For example, I am talking to you, I and you, we are sitting, we are present, and we are talking about him. So third person, so that is not present. So this is the concept: I, we, and you, he. So you will see the detail: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. This is nominative. Possessive, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, him, her, hers, its, their, their. This is possessive for ownership. Then accusative, objective, or indirect object. Yes, you remember, you have done in voices me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These 7 are your indirect objects. So students, you have to learn it by heart. It is necessary to mention here that in the family of first person pronoun there are only 6 pronouns as mentioned above, and in the family of second person there will be only 3 pronouns, whereas in the family of third person there will be more than the above mentioned 12 pronouns. Everything in this word has some name, and if the name of anything is mentioned in the sentence, then it would be considered as a third person, like boy, girl, jungle, animal, lion, Arshad, Aisha, etc. When the sentence is changed into indirect form, then only the part of say to in the reporting part is changed according to the rules, whereas all the major changes take place in the reported speech sentence. So students, next time inshallah we shall start. I'll give you some formula and we shall start first, second, third person change. Okay. See you. Allah Hafiz.